Hello everyone, welcome to Added Trade and happy Independence Day. It's late, but it's always a happy Independence Day. We're just going to see some levels for tomorrow, 16th August, in Nifty and Banknifty, and see where we can trade or what are the possible moves. So this is the daily chart of Banknifty. The last time when we saw in our video, we kind of had marked this level that this entire zone is a good support zone between 47,800 to 43,800 to 43,400, or even probably 43,500. We have kind of bounced from there. I was expecting a target in this down move of about 43,600, but looks like we have got a small bounce from this 43,794, almost 43,800. See how we kind of anticipated this down move, like a corrective move over here. Now at this point it is a little difficult to mention whether we're going to get a sharp bounce from here or it's just a small bounce and again we can retest this level. Sorry, or maybe this down move can continue. So it's a little difficult to predict the exact movement from here. We'll have to wait and see how the market behaves tomorrow. See, maybe this could just be some kind of a profit booking because overnight people on Monday I'm sorry for the cough. Overnight people would have made some profit on this particular move. So with this gap down and probably some kind of a profit booking, as one day was a holiday, we got this bounce. So we'll have to see how the market behaves from here. Overall, even if we get a bounce, I'm kind of looking at something like this, right? Not immediately a bounce to break out and make new high levels. We're not expecting that. Now if I just come to the exact levels for tomorrow, what can work? We'll get rid of this support zone for now, as we know we have kind of bounced from there. I just want to put on the weekly CPR. Now this is the weekly CPR which opened on Monday. Now if you see, there's a good chance if on Monday we come, this is the level that I'll watch out for, that is 44,300. There's a good chance we have the daily CPR and the weekly CPR. We could take some kind of a reversal from here. In case we break this and go higher, we could go to levels of 44,460 and 44,000, the upper end of this CPR. So either way, tomorrow can be a little tricky day to trade, so we'll have to be careful until we get further confirmation in the kind of move that can come. But one thing is for sure, either tomorrow or Thursday we can get to a nice kind of an bullish or a momentum move where option buyers can make money. So we'll have to see whether it's going to be on Wednesday or Thursday, the expiry. In case we come down, break this Friday's low, this Monday's low of 43,700, the next support on the downside is around this level, that is 43,688, and then we have this level of 43,500. In case we come down again over here, we have this, I'll put off this, we do have some strong support at this level, and the resistance on the upside is where the CPR levels are there. Either this daily CPR, it'll be a very good trade if we go up, kind of take rejection at the CPR and come down. In case we get a huge gap down, right, like what happened on Monday, and Monday we had seen in an analysis that if there is a big gap down, there might not be much to trade. Though we got a bounce, but it was not a smooth one. We came to fill the gap. So in case we get a gap down again closer to this 43,800 levels, yes, we could get some bounce on the upside. So these are the levels. So the view, the bias is on the downside, but it'll be better if we can get some up move and then some sort of a sell off. Now if you just see the overall structure, right, I just put off everything on this hourly chart. Just to see the near-term structure, what kind of a structure that we are making. We are making a beautiful dough theory, right? We are following this Dow theory, like a lot of people are aware what is Dow theory. From this high, we made a low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Now maybe a bounce can come to make a lower high, and then we might make a lower low, or probably make a double bottom and go up. So even if we go up, we should not be that aggressive, and we can also kind of track this trend line on an hourly chart. See, we have got a rejection here, we have got a rejection here. The next time we come closer to this 44,500 level, 480 level, there might be a rejection from this trend line. This trend line is something that we'll have to watch. See, my overall view, right? Overall view is this, just my personal view. We have made this, there could be a small bounce for whatever level, however bounce can come, and we could make one more low or retest this level of 43,800 and then go up. So we'll have to see what happens. And looking at the Nifty chart, Nifty also on this hourly chart took kind of support from this level, that is around 19,300. So Nifty, it is pretty sure the next short trade is only if this 19,300 breaks. Probably this gap fill, the first gap fill is around 19,200. And on the upside, we do have some important resistance level in Nifty. So in case we break out of 44,489, we could test this upper levels of 19,560. See, Nifty is kind of made this head and shoulder pattern. We just need a closing below this. Then there's a good chance we could slip further on the down.